What's up guys, this is TechTrail and welcome back. So, when you use an Android device for a long time, they seem to slow down and even struggle and hang on doing basic tasks like opening apps and playing games. This is because the RAM or the random access memory is full. RAM is a component which allows information to be temporarily stored so that when an app is running, the device can retrieve the resources from the RAM instead of going all the way to the internal or external storage to pull that information out. RAM makes the device seamless. So you can see why even basic tasks can be an issue when the RAM is full, when the device is simply just low end and doesn't have much RAM in the first place. Unlike computers, RAM cannot be added or removed in smartphones. But luckily, the SD card in which we store our information works in the same way as RAM. It stores information and it is retrieved when it is needed. So we can convert a small part of the memory on the SD card into virtual RAM. So let's get started. Before you start, here's some things that you'll need. Number 1, a rooted Android device. Now there's a variety of methods that you can do this with. You just have to Google how to root and then your device's model. I used Kingo Root and it worked well, so I put a link in the description. Number 2, an SD card. It is recommended, but you don't have to have one. You just have to use your device's internal storage instead. This works also. Number 3, an app from the Play Store known as Rosoft RAM Expander, which costs £7. But before you go ahead and buy this, you'll need to check whether your device is compatible with the RAM expander. For this, you can use the app known as Memory Info and Swap File Check. Install it and open it. Select the Swap File Check. And then select your SD card. Wait for it to complete the check. After that, tap the box to open the results. And if it says, congratulations, then you are ready to go ahead and buy the software. Once you have purchased the software, make sure that you grant the permissions to SuperSU. You'll see that there will be several values which you can either manually change or you can simply tap the optimal values option. It will then ask you to select your SD card. After which you can select whether you want the optimal values for multitasking, gaming, or just balanced usage. The app will then change the swap file slider to the value that your device can stably handle, which in my case is only 1184 MB, which is equal to 1.184 gigabytes of RAM. I'd recommend you not to go above that value, and even decrease it slightly. For me, 1.18 GB is perfect on top of the existing hardware RAM. It will then open a dialog box showing the progress of the RAM expansion. This can take anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes depending on how much RAM you've added. If everything was successful, when you pull down the notification bar, there will be a notification showing you how much RAM you have created. However, this RAM will not be shown in the application manager because this RAM was virtually created and is not part of the hardware. Now, you should see a dramatic improvement in gaming and just overall performance. If you found this video interesting or if it helped you, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.